Really ever feel at home, on my own, in the zone. That's the only way I know.